answers, all those who have come. Start finding the answers of exercise G till the
Ma'am, which page number?
joins in. Page 66 through page 66 of your grammar book. I had sent you all the dictation. This week is silent B letter words, and I've sent you the pronunciation as well. Please go through the pronunciation and the meaning also. The link is attached in front of the word. Yeah. Yes, me if you may.
ओपन कर पा रहे
कौन सा लिंक है
वो टेक्स्ट के लिए ना
मैम?
Yes, ma'am.
वो कौन सा लिंक है? वो आयाश बोल रहे कि वो ओपन नहीं हो पा रहा. आप एक बार दोबारा सेंड करेंगे वो लिंक?
मैम वो क्लास में ही है. वो क्लास
में ही है.
टेक्स्ट में
ट्यूशन
हमने
लिस्ट है ना.
भेजा था ना, तो मैम से बात करो ना. मैम आपने वो टेक्स्ट में बाजू में लिंक भेजा था ना.
Which link you're talking about, Ayash? Which link?
मैम tomorrow dictation.
Tomorrow
Please
dictation.
silent the word.
Wait. I have sent you the link in the classroom. Okay.
Ma'am, in the worksheet, no, but I can't open that.
Why? Rest everyone can open the link.
Yes, ma'am. We can open link.
Ayansh, you'll have to copy paste it and then do it then. Or probably do one thing, download it and then access it. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Download
Ma'am, I
that
will
file.
copy paste.
Copy paste. You can copy paste that blue link, paste it into your browser and then open it. I showed you on the screen the other day, no, how to open it, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, that poem recitation one.
What, Vihan? Tell me.
Ma'am, you sent no that speaking skills poem recitation one. I have decided which poem I will say.
So I'll hear out your poems next week. So I have given you how many days? Please tell me.
Ma'am,
7
you
days
are...
of this week
7 days.
and 2 days previous. 9 days, right?
Yes, ma'am.
9 days in advance, I am informing you about the speaking skills class. I hope you come prepared with it when you join your class on Wednesday and Thursday.
Ma'am,
Right?
any poem?
Who is this any poem?
Vivan.
Vivan, okay, I have sent 5 poems in the class. 5. Just check. I've sent 5. You can select any one. Okay? Select any one. Okay, let's finish this today. Then we can start with NCRT tomorrow. Okay, so what do we have to do? We have to rewrite the sentences, replacing the words in red with suitable adverbs from the box. So the first one is, very frequently I go to the park alone. Very frequently. Okay. I go to the park alone. Yes, Krishna.
Very frequently I go to the park alone.
So which word in the box that is given above means very frequently? Which we do almost every day.
Seldom I go to the park alone. Or occasionally.
Seldom means very less. Very frequently means I am doing it almost every other day.
So usually.
Vansh. Vansh Balchandani.
Yes, ma'am. mic was not open. Very frequently means often.
What?
Often.
Often, correct. Often I go to the park alone. So you will replace the words which are given in red with the adverb. So you'll write often, comma, I go to the
I
park
often.
alone. Okay. Number 2, Rudra Mambukia, please tell me. Number 3, Kush Kapadia.
I drink I drink a glass of milk every day.
Yeah, what is the answer?
I drink a glass of milk daily.
Daily, correct. So instead of every day, we are going to write daily. So I drink a glass of milk daily. Correct. Number 3, Kush.
Divya has not been to
Amsterdam. Amsterdam is a place.
Amsterdam never.
Okay. Divya has not been to Amsterdam. Never.
Never.
What is the meaning of Amsterdam?
That's the name of a place, Ayansh. That's the name of a place.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
Can we
and what will we put on the place of not? Because it's also in red.
That's what I was coming to. Kush Kapadia, which are the words which are given in red? Read the words which are given in red.
Not and even once.
So what is the word? Not even once. 1 sec. Who is saying ma'am?
You. Can we write Divya has never been to Amsterdam?
That's what we have to write.
Ma'am,
Okay. Now, Kush Kapadia, the word is not even one. So we cannot write Divya has been to Amsterdam. Never. Never should come somewhere in the middle. So Divya has
Instead of not.
Yeah. Not is a synonym for never. We take it as negative. So we will write Divya has never been to Amsterdam. Got it, Kush? Yes or no? Okay, all of you please write your sentences when we are discussing.
ma'am, what is the answer of third? I can't listen you.
Divya has never been to Amsterdam. Then number 4. Switch on your cameras, please. Anvi, Parnika, Tavassim, Riddhi. Man, give me the answer for number 4. Once in a while, Shruti comes over and we spend the day together. Very good. Man leaves the class whenever I ask him anything. Divyosha, give me answer for number 4.
And what is the first answer?
Often I go to the park alone.
Ma'am, I am at my nanny house and here there is a lot of network issues. So can you tell what are we doing?
No, I will not tell because your camera was off.
Ma'am, I joined now only.
No. Is it?
Yeah.
We are doing page
Yeah.
66, exercise G.
Okay.
Page 66, exercise G of your grammar.
Ma'am, mine is joining and leaving.
Please don't pay attention on people like Man. Pay attention on me. Divyosha.
Hello, ma'am.
That is Divyosha. Divyosha. People, if you don't answer, I'm going to remove you from the class. I can't just keep screaming out your names all the time.
Ma'am, in answer third what? Ma'am, there after Amsterdam, never once. So never once what we have to do?
Divyosha. Divyosha Vakharia. She's listening to me very nicely, but she will not answer. Divyosha.
Ma'am,
Yes,
it is even, there is, after Amsterdam, there is even one, so what we have to do that? It is also colored
Ayansh,
red.
where are you? Where are you? Why aren't you paying attention? 5 times I explained why and what will come there. Where are you? How many times did I explain this sentence, children? Divya has never been to Amsterdam. Ayansh. Number 4. Jahan, please give me the answer for number 4.
Yes. Once in a while, Shruti comes over and we spend the day together.
So what do we
Usually, often Shruti comes over and we spend the day together.
No, what is the meaning of often? It means I do that thing too many times. Once
So
in a
usually,
while means
occasionally.
occasionally. Yeah, occasionally means she comes very less times. Only on
Ma'am,
occasions or special times she will come. Occasionally, Shruti comes over and we spend the day together.
ma'am,
Yes, Rudra.
ma'am,
Ma'am,
why
I have
can't we write
joined now, but
seldom?
what we are doing?
Because it's also mean dash.
What, Rudra?
Ma'am, why can't we write seldom?
Seldom means very less.
Yes, so it's once in a while is less too,
Rarely. Seldom means very rarely she comes. For example, whenever you go to, say, a wildlife park, you seldom might have seen a tiger, right? It's not every time that we go we spot a tiger, right? We seldom see a tiger in the park. Okay, number 5. Vihan Patel, please give me the answer for number 5.
Catherine, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Sarah.
Ma'am, I have joined now. What are we doing?
And why have you joined now?
Ma'am, there was a
Network issue.
laptop issue. No, ma'am, my laptop was working slow.
We are doing page 66 of
Yes.
grammar book.
Ma'am, can I give the answer now?
Yeah, Vihan.
My mother occasionally takes a day off from work.
Occasionally
No, ma'am.
means
No,
very
ma'am.
often.
No, ma'am. My mother often takes a day off from work.
Often is already done in the first sentence. Hardly ever. That means she goes to office almost every day. Hardly she takes a leave. Very rarely she takes a leave.
And you told that word before 2 minutes only.
Yes, ma'am, you told.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am. You have told that.
Yes, ma'am. Is there example also?
Dhruv, please give me the answer.
My mom seldom takes a day off from work.
Correct. My mother
Ma'am.
seldom takes a day off from work. What does that mean?
Ma'am, we
She goes to
cannot write usually.
usually means almost every day.
Okay.
So if you take a leave from work almost every day, the boss will throw you out only. Yeah. So she seldom takes a leave from work. Very rarely she takes an off. She goes to office almost every day. Vihan got the sentence? Seldom. Vihan is
Ma'am, my birthday is coming.
Your birthday is coming. When is it?
12 August.
12th August. Great. We are
My
working.
birthday means tomorrow. Means yesterday.
What, Yug?
My birthday meant yesterday.
Ah, great. Belated happy birthday, Yug.
Thank you.
So what did you do, Yug?
Played with my friends.
Oh, you had a party at home? Okay, number
Ma'am.
6. Number 6.
Ma'am, can I say?
You
Ma'am,
already
can I?
answered. Wait, I'm calling out the name. Kahan. Number 6. The postman delivered the letter the day before today. It's easy.
The postman delivered the letter yesterday.
Yesterday. Correct. Number 7.
Ma'am, can you hear me properly?
Yeah, I can hear you properly. Anvi, give me answer for number 7.
Yes, ma'am. My father is normally home from the office by 6 o'clock in the evening. My father is usually home from the office by 6 o'clock in the evening.
Correct. My father is usually home from office by 6 o'clock in the evening. Meet number 8.
Yes, ma'am. Every
Ma'am,
now
what is
and
the number
then
6 and number 7? I was in washroom. Ma'am, I was in washroom. So what is number 6th and 7th? I can't question.
Yes, ma'am, me too.
Number 6
what is
is
number 6?
yesterday and number 7 is usually.
every now and Rekha. No,
Every now and then.
and then Rekha drops by to have a cup of coffee with my brother. Daily now and then Rekha drops to have a cup of coffee with my brother.
What? Daily now and then. You have to replace all the words which are in red with that word. So you have to replace every now and then with a word.
Okay. Often.
Every now and then with a
Can I
word.
say?
1 minute.
Ma'am, often is done.
How do I know? I have just joined in. Prisha, please answer.
Yes, ma'am. Occasionally, Rekha drops by to have a coffee.
Have a cup of coffee with my
Have a
brother.
cup of coffee with
Occasionally. Now, if you see in the box above, number 2 is written in front of occasionally. So, what does that mean? That occasionally has to be used twice in these sentences. Okay. Occasionally has to be used twice in these sentences. The first one we used in sentence number 4, and the second one we used in sentence number 8. Okay. Adverbs of degree tells us about the extent or intensity of an action. Some adverbs of degree are almost. For example, we are telling the glass is full or the glass is empty. So I will say, Mama asks you, have you drank your milk? So you say, Mama, yeah, the glass is almost empty. That means it's not empty. I'm just about to finish it. So it is almost empty. And when the glass is just full, then you say it's nearly full. Fully means completely, and completely also means fully. Completely. So these are just synonyms for the words. I am slightly weak after a bout of malaria. That means, how weak are you feeling? A little weak. Slightly means a little weak after a bout of malaria. How much or to what degree is the weakness? Now, the words are given to you already. You have to write the opposite of those words. Okay. Softly. Ayansh, what is the answer? Softly. Opposite of softly.
Ma'am, I can't understand that adverbs of degree.
Softly का क्या होगा opposite?
Softly opposite. See the
Hardly, ma'am.
crossword. Huh?
Hardly. Hard.
See
Hard,
the cross.
ma'am.
Ayansh, see the crossword first towards your right. Number 2 word should start with L. Number 2 word should start with L. Softly. I am speaking softly. And what is the other way I
Ma'am,
can
rudely.
L? The word
Loudly.
loudly. Softly, loudly. Number 3, correctly. Riddhi, give me the answer.
Wrongly.
Wrongly. The word should start with W. Wrongly. Brightly. Arav. Brightly. The word should start with a D.
D.
Huh? What?
D.
Can't hear you.
M. Here.
Yeah.
D.
Dimly. You have to form an adverb of manner. Dim and ly. Dimly.
Dimly.
Okay. Number 8 is much. Nayak.
Ma'am,
Much.
D-I-M-M-L-Y.
Ma'am,
D-I-M-L-Y.
Ma'am, much will be less.
Much will be less, but here it is starting with L, but there is a T in the middle. So what will be much and little? Much and little. 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 Okay. Badly. Badly, the word should start with W. Vivan. Vivan Patel. Badly. Word should start with W. Who knows the answer? Come on. Kahan. What's the answer?
Ma'am, well.
Well. W-E-double-L. Well.
Double L.
More. Pandika. More.
Yes, ma'am.
Opposite of more.
Less.
Less. So the answers are loudly, wrongly, dimly, little, well, less. Now we have to use the adverbs of manner in sentences. Kush, give me the first one. The vehicle moves dash in a traffic jam. So how does the vehicle move in a traffic jam?
Vehicle move slowly.
Slowly. You have to use the words like this. Okay. You have to use the words down. Slowly. Number 2. Vihan Patel.
Yes, ma'am. The children goodly gave.
Very good. Your sense of IQ is going down day by day, Vihan Patel, because you're busy doing other things on the computer. You're not just studying and sitting in front of me with your face. You're doing 10 other things on the computer.
No, ma'am.
No, you don't tell me. I have to tell you this. And don't you think that I don't know what you're doing there? The teacher knows everything. Yeah, Nayak, what is the answer?
Ma'am, it is mostly of number 5.
Number 4 we are doing, Nayak.
Ma'am, number 4 will be goodly.
Wrong. Jishna, what is the answer of number 4?
The children dash give their pocket money to the poor. They were not sad at all. The children goodly. Ma'am, can I
The children goodly gave the money to the poor.
Ma'am, can I
Vihan, tell me. Vihan.
Ma'am, can
No, 1 second. Not Vihan. Vansh. Tell me.
ma'am, the children gladly gave their
Correct.
pocket money to
Gladly
the
means without hesitation. Happily, they gave the money to the poor. They had no problem giving their money to the poor. They gladly give the money.
what?
Number
Gladly.
5, Nayak has already answered. It is smoothly. Yes, the boat went smoothly down the river as there were no currents. Number 7, Vivan. The path in the mountain climbed dash upwards. The path in the mountain climbed.
Dash upwards.
It should start with S. How is a mountain?
Slope.
How is a mountain?
Slope. Slope.
Steep. Mountain is steep. We've not learned in SST. Mountains are steep. Steep means what? They are pointed. When we're going, they're slant, no? So that's called steep. So steeply. Steeply. Steeply upwards. Choose the correct degrees, adverbs of degree from those given in the brackets and fill in the blanks. Number 1, meet. And number 2, yug. Number 3, manra jodia. So if you want to leave the meeting, leave now. Don't even attend number 1 and 2. Come on. Press the button. Come on. I'm waiting for you. See? How shameless he is.
Ma'am, can I see?
Now I will remove him if he enters. Wait. He thinks only he has the right to leave the meeting.
The player who scores dash will be the winner. The player who scores most will be the winner.
Correct. Number 2, Ayansh.
Number 2, no? Nabli ate dash and all the pastry kept in the freezer.
Ayansh, you're not in the class today, huh? I must tell you. You're not attentive
મને
today
કેમ
at
એવું
all.
લાગે છે કે આ નેક્સ્ટ
Sorry, ma'am. Sorry.
I said number 2.
Sorry, ma'am. It has been dashed 2
M2B
months since I was him last. I saw him last.
આ ઇન્ક્યુબેટરના વિડીયોમાં M2B 2 અને ગ્રોઝા 2 યુઝ થાય.
Yes, Ayansh, please tell. Again.
It has been dashed 2 months since I saw him last.
It has
It has been nearly 2 months since I saw him
Correct.
last.
It has been nearly 2 months since I saw him last. Number 3, Mabel ate dash all the pastries kept in the fridge. Jahan.
Yes. Mabel ate dash all the pastries kept in the fridge. Mabel ate almost all the pastries kept in the fridge.
Correct. Number 4, Rudra, why is the camera off?
I was drinking water. I'm really.
So you can't put your camera on and drink water.
I can.
Please do that next time. Give me the answer for number 4.
Yes, one. The month of June. The month of June. It's extremely hot in most parts of India.
Okay. The month of June is dash hot in most parts of India.
Extremely.
Extremely hot. Number 5. You did not answer. Number 5.
Yes. I am very sorry for the delay.
I am very sorry for the delay. Number 6, Prisha. And number 7, Vidisha.
Yes, ma'am. They are non-identical twins. They look dash different. They look completely different.
Okay. They are
Ma'am, I can't
non-identical
listen.
twins.
Ma'am, I can't
They
listen.
look completely different. What do you mean by non-identical twins? You've seen twins. We've seen twins.
Yes.
Their faces are most of the time similar, but sometimes they are twins, but their face is not similar.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Such as
So,
Vansh and Vivan.
Vansh and
Vivan.
Vivan.
Vansh
They are
and Vivan are twins.
Yes,
Not
ma'am.
Vivan Patel, Vivan Balchandani.
Yes. Yes, ma'am. They are twins.
Vansh and Vivan, are you twins? Twin brothers?
No,
Ma'am,
Vivan Balchandani is in
And
fifth
once
B.
Balchandani are twins.
One sec. Vansh Balchandani and Vivan Balchandani are not, they are brothers, but they are twin brothers.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Oh, I didn't know that because I did not teach them last year. So why are they in different classes?
I don't know because every year they are in the
Yes,
same
ma'am.
classes, but this year they are in different classes.
Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
I was wondering they're cousins or something. So they are twins and they are not identical twins. Their faces are not similar. So
Yes, ma'am.
people whose faces are not similar but born on the same day from the same mother are called non-identical twins. So if they are non-identical twins, will they be almost different or completely different? They'll be completely different.
Ma'am, completely different. Ma'am, completely different.
different. Okay. Number 7. Mohit and Sudeep have dash solved the problem. So have they fully solved
Ma'am,
the
my mom and my
problem or
mochi are
fully
twins.
solved
Fully.
the problem?
Fully.
Solved the problem. Correct.
See,
Yes, Ayansh.
my mom and mother are twins. My mochi and my mom are twins. Yes.
Oh, so they are identical twins or non-identical twins?
Ma'am, their faces are similar.
So you
And
don't
what
get
is number
confused
6?
who is mama and who is
You
boss?
know my but
little
my
sister.
mochi live in some and I live in Surat.
No. When they come together, you get confused who's mama and who's boss.
Ma'am, sometimes I get confused.
Okay. Okay.
Ma'am,
So
you know my real sister and my birthday and are same.
Ma'am, in my
your
society,
sister.
Real sister.
ma'am, in my society, two twins live. Their name is Dia and Dusty. I confuse them for Dia and Dusty.
Even I had 2 twins in my class called Khushi Khushali. Whole year I could not differentiate who was Khushi and who was Khushali. So whenever I wanted to call them, I used to call them Khushi Khushali. I used to call both the names. They were
Ma'am,
so
in my
similar.
there are Zara and Zari.
Okay, so this finishes our chapter adverbs.
What is number 6?
Fully. Tomorrow we are going to start NCRT textbook, and your homework is worksheet number 12 and 13 for today. Okay, this is your homework. I'll be sending the answer key soon. So your homework is worksheet number 12 and 13. We are going to finish the worksheets. Okay?
My mom want to talk with you.
Yeah, tell me.
My mom want to talk with you. I'm saying that.
Vivan, I have a class right now. I have a class in 4C. Come on, quickly call your mama.
हेलो मैम, गुड मॉर्निंग
Could you
मैम।
please leave quickly? Yes, ma'am. Good morning.
मैम विवान को जो रिजल्ट में मैम ने पीटीएम में बात की थी, थोड़ा इंग्लिश में थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम है ना विवान को, तो इसके लिए इम्प्रूव करने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा फिर मैम?
उसको अटेंटिव बैठना पड़ेगा। पहली बात, वो अटेंटिव
क्या?
नहीं बैठता, इधर उधर देखता रहता है।
ओके
और
मैम।
उसको बोलिए, आंसर तो वो देता है, जब भी उसको मैं पूछती हूँ कुछ तो वो आंसर तो मुझे देता है, तो मुझे समझ आता है कि उसको समझ आ रहा है, कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर है कि उसको क्या आंसर किधर आना चाहिए। But sometimes he gets confused when he's talking to me. I don't know why. I know he knows the answer, but I know why he starts looking here and there.
ओके मैम। तो हम रीडिंग के लिए फिर क्या इम्प्रूव करना पड़ेगा? रीडिंग में थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम है।
उसको स्कूल की बुक्स नहीं पढ़ाइए, उसको बाहर की बुक्स पढ़ाइए। जैसे ऑनलाइन आपको पढ़ाना है तो ऑनलाइन
हाँ,
भी
बुक्स तो
मिलती
मैंने
है।
अभी 2-3 और मंगवा ली है।
And tell him to talk in English at home.
अब वो उनके डैडी के साथ इंग्लिश तो करता है, मुझे
नहीं,
इंग्लिश परफेक्ट नहीं आती ना मैम।
आप मत बोलो, वो चलेगा। उसको तो बोलना चाहिए ना साथ।
ओके मैम।
Tell him to talk to you in English. Even if you answer in some other language, he should talk to you in English.
ओके मैम। ओके मैम, थैंक यू मैम।
Welcome.
बाय
मैम।
Bye, everyone.